Hello friends, this is tutorial number 14 in this C++ programming language tutorials. Okay, in the previous tutorial we talked about control statement, and in this tutorial we will do some similar application. We will have three numbers and we want to get maximum by using if statement. Okay, and let's start. First, we will need a variables, integer, and it will be x, y, and z, and also we will need the maximum. Okay, and now what we need to do, we will need to enter these variables. And we will need to find which we will enter three numbers, but as a response we want a maximum of these three numbers. Okay, first we need a statement cout and enter number x. Okay, and line, and we will enter number x. Sin x. Okay, we will do the same thing for the number y. Just a second. Enter number y and line, and we will enter sin and y. And we need to do the same thing for the variable z. Okay. And line. Okay. And also not forget to input variable z. Okay, and now what we will do, we have three variables, and we will define, but now we will define a maximum. Maximum will be equals, and we will define it as x. Okay, we define our maximum with variable x, and it will be the maximum. But also, okay, but we will enter, but what if okay, if x is the greater number, okay, it will work fine. But what if number y or number z are greater number than x? And for that we will need a control statement. We will need a if statement, and we will write if y is greater than maximum. Okay, this will be a condition. And what we will write, okay, if y is greater than maximum, maximum, it's a variable, we can change it, will be equal to y. Okay, this is a logical solution. Okay, if y is greater than maximum, okay, maximum will be equal to y. Okay, and okay, we will not here as you see in the previous tutorial, we don't need okay, we can write else statement if we want. Okay, if statement can work without else. Okay, we have a if condition and we don't need. In this case we will not use a else statement, but we can write if statements as many times as we want. If we need for application 5 if statement, we will use it. And okay, we can write another if statement. Okay, we'll write if and it will be if variable z is greater than maximum, and we need a body, and inside the body we will write okay, but if z is greater than maximum, maximum will be equal to z. Okay, I think this is pretty much simple. Okay, and what we did here, okay, we defined maximum to be equals to x, but we have a control statement. If epsilon is greater than maximum, if epsilon is greater than maximum, maximum will become epsilon, but maximum will become epsilon only if epsilon is greater than maximum. If epsilon is not greater than maximum, maximum will not be changed. Okay, and this is this control statement. Okay, after this control statement we have another control statement, and now it will be if variable z is greater than a maximum, maximum will be equal to z. If for example, only in this condition maximum will be changed. Okay, if this condition is not true, a maximum will stay as it is. I think this is pretty much simple, and now we need just to write our variables, and we need to write all of these variables. Okay, cout, we need a text, x equals, and we need a variable x, lesser sign, and end line. We will do the same thing for the other two variables, epsilon equals, and we need variable epsilon, and variable z and line, and we need to write a maximum. We will use with uppercase first letter. Maximum will be equal and variable maximum, lesser sign, and end line. Okay, this should be our application, and now we will try to run this application. Let's use build and run to see if this will work properly. Okay, x will be 31, epsilon will be 15, and z will be 16. Okay, maximum is equals to 31. Okay, we have x equals to 31, epsilon equals to 15, and z equals to 16. Okay, and maximum is 31. This works pretty much good, as you can see. Let's see. Okay, we have three variables, and we have defined if maximum equals to x. Okay, and we had a control statement. Epsilon was 15. Is 15 is greater than maximum? No, it isn't. And we just passed this control statement, and we had another control statement that is 16. Is 16 is greater than maximum? No, it isn't. And maximum stay with x. I think that this you don't have problems with this. And let's try again, but I just wanted just couple of stars to this code. Looks more readable. Okay, we'll put couple of stars here, and line, and we will try to run this again. Okay, build and run, enter number x. It will be 15, y will be 21, and z will be 3. Okay, as we have our numbers, and maximum equals to 21. Okay, maximum here, maximum was equal to x, but we have a control statement is 21 greater than 15, it is, and the variable maximum were changed. And we have another control statement, is 3 is greater than 21, no it isn't, and maximum is not changed. Okay, and we have, let's try just third solution. Okay, and let's build and run. Okay, x equal to 50, y equals to 14, and z equals to 75. Okay, we have three numbers, 50, 14 and 75, and maximum is 75. Pretty much simple. We have, okay, we have maximum maximum were equals to x, which is 50. We have a control statement is 14 greater than 50, no it isn't, and maximum is not changed. And we have other control statement, z for 75, is 75 greater than 50, yes it is, and maximum were changed to equals to z. I think this is pretty much simple, and I really hope that you like this. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. You can also you can subscribe, you can click to the like button, and you can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.